my name is Kemian, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I make my gluten-free vegan saltfish fritters. In this recipe, the main ingredient is going to be our chickpea flour. So to the chickpea flour, I'm going to add some bell peppers, I'm going to add some spring onion, oregano, salt, pepper, and to give it that fishy flavor, we're going to add some seaweed. And the seaweed will resemble what you traditionally expect a saltfish fritter to taste like. So if you would like to see how I make these, keep watching. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients together. Here I've got my chickpea flour, also have my cayenne pepper and oregano. I have my water to mix my batter. And oh, also I added some, I've decided I'm going to add tamari because, you know, tamari makes everything better. I've got my skillet here and coconut oil melted. You can't really see, but there's definitely coconut oil in there. So the first step I would say is that, I actually call this step the seasoning of the oil. Whenever I've made this in the past, I season the oil first. And to do that, I'm just going to throw in some of my bell peppers and a few of my seaweeds. And I feel like this step is actually needed because it starts to pull the flavors from the food. So I feel like the seaweed starts to add that fishy taste and the bell peppers just season the oil, and I particularly like the way bell peppers season the oil. So that's what I'm doing first. And while that's seasoning away, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients to my chickpea flour. So bell peppers, and that one. Oh, my spring onions. Oh, I've got some chili here as well. So I'm going to put some chili in. And oh, finally, our seaweed. This might look like a really small bowl, but once you actually make this, you'll get quite a few fritters out of it. I need to, oh, my oregano. Let's put my oregano in. I'm trying to do everything with one hand, which isn't the easiest. So I'll put my oregano in. Okay, I can't actually mix this up with one hand, so I'm going to mix all of this yumminess together and then start the filming again. So my batter is all mixed, and the bell peppers that I used to season the oil, I've now put them into the batter as well. So this is my batter. So the only thing left to do is to start frying. You can actually take the seaweed out and add it to your batter if you want. I just usually leave them in and put some of the batter on top of them. So let's start frying our fritters. Okay. You want the pot to be quite hot as well, so medium-high heat, so that your fritters don't stick to the pot. I just dropped a blob on the side. It's not easy doing it with one hand. Okay, it's not that easy doing it with one hand. So a bit there. I want this one to be huge. It's not even actually that huge, it's just going to be like fritter size, to be honest. And that one now. As I said, you can leave your seaweed in or you can take it out, it's completely optional. That's another one of my fritters. This just looks lovely, and it smells so nice in here because even before we've added our batter, our oil was being seasoned with the bell peppers, and yeah, so like yummy goodness going on in here. Oh, I dropped it. There's just something about the side of the pot. You just want some of this batter. Here we are. So we're gonna allow these to fry probably like about a minute and a half, 2 minutes on each side, then we'll turn them. So if you can see the first one I put in, yeah, it's not quite ready to turn yet. So we'll leave it to give it a minute or two to get all golden. Our fritters are all done and I'm just going to do a taste test now. And can I say, in here it's smelling so good from the frying, and the fritters themselves are looking actually like fritters. Oh, they smell so good. They smell just like saltfish fritters. So, the moment of truth, I'm just going to give these a try. All of the vegetables are, all of the peppers and everything have cooked through, and can taste the seaweed. These are really, really nice. You have to give them a try. And if you do try them, let me know in the comment section and let me know what you think about them. I don't feel like you can get closer to saltfish fritters unless you actually put the saltfish in here. These are really nice. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.